In this part, we're going to see how to ask for support. We have to go to the Aura Quantic web, extranet.auraportal.com, and from here, we can enter our private portal with our login. Once in here, we just need to go to Start Support Case. Here we have 4 options: New Case, Support Chat, Support Cases, and Support Hours. This would be to check on an old one, okay? But now we're gonna start a new case. So we're gonna imagine we have a problem and we need support, so we will go to New Case. When we go here, it says, welcome to the support service. Please indicate the type of support case you would like to open. We have question, incident, suggestion, and other. So we're gonna go with incidents and click on continue. This message is about data protection, so I'm gonna click I agree. And we have here the support case. First of all, we need to have a look at the security level, okay? We can see we have 4, and we have always the number 3 by default. So level 3 means an error whereby a function of the Aura Quantic cannot be performed by multiple users, but does not affect the critical functions or workaround exists. Okay? And we have several data we have to fill in. So installation, okay? Scope of the query, if it's installation, functionality, complements, update, okay, or other. The version, then we will also need to have the extension pack, SQL version and SharePoint version if we have them and know them. As I said, these are very important data we need to supply. And then we can add a case title. Does it always occur? Yes or no? Have you deleted temporary files? Yes or no? Have you checked the event viewer? Yes or no? And where does the incident occur? Here we have several options. On the server, working computer, several working computers, etc. And here in person of contact, we will have to add it if it's different to the creator of the case, okay? If the person of contact is you that are creating the support case, then you don't need to add anything here. But if it's a different one, you should. And here, were any changes made before the incident? Okay, because this is very important if you were doing something when the incident happened. And does it affect all users? Okay, once we have done all this, we will just have to submit the case. And if we wanted to know the updates, we will have to go to support cases that we saw before. And this shall be all for the module. Now is your turn to do test 502. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed this part of the course.